this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. You are going to love the 2011 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.